Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss English Podcast. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Paul. It's great to be with you again. Today's topic is something that makes everyone smile. Food.
Exactly. Food isn't just about eating. It's about family, culture, memories, and love.
That's right. And when people learn English, food is one of the best topics to talk about. It's fun, it's easy, and everyone can join in.
So, Paul, let's start with a simple question. What's your favorite food?
Oh, that's a tough one. I love so many kinds of food, but if I had to choose, I'd say pizza. I love the mix of cheese, tomato sauce, and crispy crust. What about you, Emily?
I think my favorite food is sushi. It's fresh, light, and full of flavor.
Nice choice. You know, food preferences can tell us a lot about someone's culture.
That's true. For example, in Japan, people eat a lot of rice and seafood. In Italy, it's pasta and pizza. And in Cambodia, there's amok, a delicious fish curry.
Right. Every country has its special dishes.
Now let's talk about meals. Paul, what do you usually have for breakfast?
Well, I usually have something simple, maybe toast and eggs with a cup of coffee. How about you?
I usually eat rice with fried egg and sometimes some vegetables. I need energy in the morning.
That sounds delicious. What about lunch?
Lunch is usually something bigger, maybe chicken with rice or sometimes noodles.
Same here. I like to have a hot meal for lunch. And for dinner, I prefer something lighter, like soup or salad.
Yes, many people do that. Dinner is often a time to relax and talk with family.
Emily, do you like sweet food or spicy food?
Oh, definitely spicy. I love chili. How about you?
I like sweet food more. I can't resist chocolate cake or ice cream.
So if we go to a restaurant together, I'll order spicy curry and you'll order dessert.
Exactly. And that's what makes food fun. Everyone has different tastes.
Now, let's help our listeners with something useful. How to order food in English.
Good idea. Here's a simple example.
Hello, can I have a chicken sandwich, please?
Sure. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, an orange juice, please.
Perfect. Always remember to say please and thank you. Politeness is important when ordering food.
Exactly. You can also say, I'd like a bowl of soup.
Can I get some fries?
Could I have the menu, please?
And don't forget, when you finish eating, you can say, could I have the bill, please?
Paul, do you ever feel happy or emotional when you eat certain foods?
Oh, yes. Some foods remind me of home, like my mom's cooking. When I eat her special soup, it brings back warm memories.
That's beautiful. Food can be a part of our stories. It connects us to our family and our past.
Exactly. And when we share food with others, we share love.
Before we finish, let's review some useful food words from today's episode.
Okay, here we go. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, sweet, spicy, salty, sour. Rice, noodles, soup, salad, chicken, fish, vegetables, pizza, sandwich, dessert.
And some phrases. Can I have, please? I'd like. What's your favorite food? That looks delicious.
Well, that's all for today's episode of Miss English Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed talking about food with us.
Remember, practice speaking English about real-life topics like food every day.
And next time, we'll talk about eating out at a restaurant, how to order, pay, and make small talk in English.
That sounds great. Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time, and don't forget, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep practicing.